All right, this is lesson 6, writing products as sums and sums as product. What we're going to be doing today is our distributive property. It can be written as the identity, and this is it. So using our distributive property, what we're talking about here is multiplying 11 times 16, and then 11 times 5. So here we have 126, and we have 55. And what we're actually doing is we're multiplying 11 times the sum of 16 plus 5. So next, we have find an equivalent expression by modeling with a rectangular array and applying the distributive property to the expression 5 times 8x plus 3. Well, what we can do here is we can use our box. We have 5 here. We have 8x here. And remember, our sign goes with our number, which is also our operation. So we have a positive 3, that positive 3. So we have 5 times 8x. So 5 times 8x. And 5 times a positive 3. So our answer here is going to be 40. X. 5 times 3 is a positive 15. So that would be our answer. Next, we have, for parts A and B, draw an array for each expression and apply the distributive property. Well, to draw an array here, we have x and a positive 1 or plus 1, and we have 2. That x is a little big, so I'm going to erase it and make it smaller. So we have 2 times x and 2 times 1. So we have 2x plus 1. Here we have $10, and we split this. We have 2c, and we have a 5, or a positive 5. So we have 10 times 2c, and we have 10 times 5. So 10 times 2 is 20. C. 10 times 5 is a positive 50. Now what we're trying to do here is we are trying to get away from the box and just show you how we can use this to come up with this. Now I do want to show the box just for this one because it has a negative there. So I do want to show you that, and then we're going to go right into the distributive property without the array. So here for the array, we have the 3, we have the 4f, and we have negative 1. So we have 3 times 4f and 3 times negative 1. So here we have 12f minus 3, or negative 3. So the answer to 3 times 4f minus 1 is 12f minus 3. That is your answer. So to use the distributive property here, what we're going to do is we're going to show this, but we're just going to leave a space. Instead of having this box, we're going to do it without the box, but we're just going to leave a space. So here I've got 9 times negative 3r, leave a small space, and 9 times negative 11. So I'm still doing this, I'm just not showing the box. And our answer then is negative 27r. 9 times negative 11 is negative 99. And that is my answer. Next, our next example we have is our expression x plus y plus z. And again, we're going to do the same thing. We have 4 times x plus y plus z. So here I have 4 times x, 4 times y, and 4 times z. So my answer would be 4x. 4y is positive, so it's a plus 4y. And my 4z is a positive, so it'd be plus 4z. You have to show this line. This is a must. Show line. So my next example we have says expand the expression from a product to a sum by removing the grouping symbols using an area model and repeated use of the distributive property. So we're going to be using that distributive property. So we have 3x plus 2y plus 5z. So we have 3 times x, 3 times 2y, and 3 times 5z. So we have 3x. 3 times 2 is a positive 6y. And 3 times 5 is a positive 15z. And that would be my answer. Our next one, we are going to be expanding it and then collecting our like terms. So here I have 12 times the quantity 1 minus 3g plus 8 times g plus f. Now remember, for this, the sign's going to go with the number. Our sign's going to go with the number, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So here we have 12 times 1, 12 times negative 3g. Here we have a positive 8 times g and a positive 8 times f. So when we put this together, we have 12 times negative 3 is a negative 36g. 8 times g is a positive 8g. 8 times f is a positive 8f. So to put my g's together, and they have to go first, or my f has to actually go first, but we got to put these together. So we have 12. Negative 36 plus 8 is a negative 28. G plus 8 f. Next. I believe that's it. That ends today's lesson.